Welcome to Tonex training courses. SysML, Systems Modeling Language. The most important part of modern enterprise architecture. Let's dive into deep. Learn SysML from the experts in the field.
SysML is a visual modeling language useful for systems engineering applications. There are several diagrams in SysML. System requirements diagrams, case diagrams, activity diagrams, block definition diagrams, package diagrams, parametric diagrams, and so on.
In contrast to UML, the systems modeling language, SysML, is intended to describe mechatronic systems consisting of hardware, software, and mechanics. Learn how to create SysML models with Enterprise Architect, how to apply them in practice.
Did you know why enterprise engineers use SysML? Because SysML got several benefits.
The benefits include improved communications, assists in managing complex system development, separation of concerns, hierarchical modeling, improved design quality, reduced errors and ambiguity, more complete representation, and SysML can support incremental development and evolutionary acquisition.
The best SysML training courses, education and seminars. Tonex offers some great SysML courses and certifications. Advanced SysML Training, creating SysML models. SysML Training Workshop with Modelio. Creating SysML diagrams for a system of systems, SOS. Creating SysML models workshop. Patent engineering with SysML. Hands-on MBSE and SysML training. Systems modeling language training, and so on.
In fact, you can learn more. Read Tonex SysML glossary. Choose Tonex for your SysML training, courses, and certifications. Courses are available online, on-site, and live online.
Thanks for watching this video. It's presented by Tonex.com. Sign up for SysML courses and certifications today. Log on to www.tonex.com.